Hello and welcome guys. Today we're going to do a video about Mandala Exchange. This is one of the biggest positions in crypto that I currently hold. So I want to update you about what they have been up to and how the project is developing. On the screen you can see currently that they have released on-ramp fiat deposits. What does that mean? Basically, you can take your credit or debit card and just buy crypto on the website. That was not possible before. You had to buy on websites such as Binance and then send your crypto to Mandala Exchange in order to buy some cryptocurrencies there, which obviously increased the amount of fees that you have to pay. Right now you can skip that one part of the process and just buy the crypto directly on Mandala Exchange. As of now, you have to use a website called mandala.exchange/buy crypto, but in the future they will integrate it into the main website and you can just buy it there, and it's pretty simple, just similar as it is on Binance. Select the currency that you want to deposit with and the cryptocurrency that you want to purchase, and then just probably fill out your credit card details and just buy your crypto right there and then. So that's a really good process for the project itself, because it makes it easier for customers that are not that experienced to just purchase crypto themselves on the website, and that's gonna give it a little bit more exposure. Moving on to the Q2 updates that the Mandala team has produced for us. As I have already mentioned, fiat on ramp has already been released, which is really good that they are working within the deadlines and time frames that they have set for themselves. Visa digital network integration, that's another thing that they are working on, basically to provide fiat off ramp solutions as well, and they are expecting it to add it to the roadmap in Q3. App development, that's a really important one. The app for Mandala currently is not as developed as I would like it to be. Now you can check the prices and stuff, but the charts are a bit messy, so they are working on fixing the charts and general stability and security updates for the app itself, and that should be released within 1 to 2 weeks. So that's really good news that they are working on a couple of little things here and there that will provide better customer experience, and that can get us more people into Mandala. API updates, those are critical as they need to provide supply and volume information and reports to CMC and CoinGecko listings, so those need to be as accurate as possible. They are working on that. New project listings. The updated API will allow for us to begin listing new projects outside of the Binance ecosystem. So they basically can get projects from the BSC network, so smaller projects such as Sensi, for example, the project I have made some videos about, and they can add it in for themselves rather than taking projects from Binance and implying them into the exchange. And finally, they are working on completing Hummingbot integration. I believe they have already done some work on that, so they are just working towards finishing that product. When it comes to the price of Mandala token, it has been dropping down a little bit lately, as every cryptocurrency has. It went from about maybe 10-11 cents to 8 or 9, which is really good news, as you can buy the token at a cheaper price. That's what I have done. I have added a little bit more of Mandala token for myself, and I am building up that position whenever I can when I have the funds available. So you can see right here that I have added another 5,000 Mandala tokens at about 10-cent price. Maybe I could have waited a little bit more and buy at 8 or 9, but obviously you can never know that. And my position currently is at 21.2k Mandala tokens. So I have built that up over the last couple of weeks as the price has been decreasing. I have bought it at about 40 cents, then at 30 cents, at 17 cents, and then twice at 11 and 10 cents. And I believe the project can and has the power to go maybe as high as $1 or $3 within the next year or two. Right, so that is what I have to say about the prices, and the value of this position is at 1.8k current. Finishing off with what MDX has to offer and what they are working on behind the scenes. Fiat on ramp solutions, they have already sort of done that. Dedicated email campaign going out to 80,000 subscribers. Now that's really big that they have a newsletter list that large, and they can update those people on what has been going on. Crypto briefing advertisement targeting UK and Asia. 2 AMAs that have been scheduled. I believe they are targeting some Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube influencers to make some sponsored content. That's always good, getting more exposure. Research and preparation beginning for Google Ads. Now that's even better, so people can find the exchange themselves if they are looking for low trading fees. Website Twitter verification process on the way. CoinDesk newsletter ads activated as well. So a lot of stuff that they are working on when it comes to marketing and getting more exposure for the project. So that's really good news if you guys are invested into this project. I would really encourage for you to add the Discord group that they have into your list. I will leave a link down in the description so you can add Mandala Exchange Discord, and you can check those announcements for yourself as well. I believe they have been adding new projects as well, or they have been shouting out some projects in the announcement chat, like this one right here. New listing, Ethereum chain now listed with Binance, with full Binance liquidity and 3 active pairs. So you can check those announcements and for yourself and make whatever you want out of it. But it's really good to keep up with what they have been working on. I will make those videos once every, I don't know, couple of weeks, maybe once a month, so I can update you as well on what they have been working on and what my position looks like. So that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down in the comment section on what you want to see next, and I will see you in the next one.